Somizi and Ngizwe Mchunu saga. Well, we've seen what happened at the awards, and wow, was I embarrassed on behalf of Ngizwe. Imagine giving someone a hand to shake and they refused. If you did not see this well, here is what happened. Ngizwe Mchunu went to greet Somizi and he refused his handshake, and he told his security guards not to allow him inside his VIP tent. The bodyguard was standing calmly, no insults. He kept his cool and just said to Ngizwe, "Asikoyiki sonke." You owe that statement. Ngizwe was so pissed at the security guard. He was insulting him and calling him Isetabani, but that security guard was not shaken at all. I felt what Ngizwe did was being a bully. He said in his interview, Somizi disrespected him and he was supposed to be professional and greet him back. Instead, he ran and wavinjwa zii-bodyguard zakhe zizitabane. I mean, Ngizwe, you hate gays and you are very vocal about it. So when they return the hate now, you say they do not act professional. What does that mean?
Indodelana nendoda amanyala ukugcina ke lawo nisibangela ububhezo nisibangela inkinga zokugcina nalomgodo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho kuphumela sona.
For me, I do not see anything wrong to what Somizi did. Kulate ngoku for uthanda abantu abakupretendayo. I mean, in the name of being professional. But hey, I stand to be corrected. Hit me up on the comment section and tell me what you think. I mean, must you be fake even though you know this person doesn't like you? This person talks bad behind your back. So must you be fake and talk to them and greet them for the sake of people's eyes? Sure, that is so draining. I mean,
you see me now, you'll never see me again. I thank you. So le nto leyo ukuthi uSomizi angidisrespect kanje iyana abaleke ngivision ama-bodyguard akhe ayabani. Mina was not rushing to him as a result of ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzomkhothamela, but I was showing the remorse of being professional. So yes, kuyena naye njengomuntu osebenza kwa-SABC futhi osekwi-industry Scarlet City, I expected the response of professionalism, because today, as we speak, uRamaphosa Eswazini, we 40 years ceremony of King Mswati on a throne.
Yes.
Sibona uRamaphosa, sabona uPresident wamazwe omhlaba, sabona former President Jacob Zuma, sabona Ramaphosa. All of them sharing jokes. If you know Ramaphosa and Zuma, they are enemies. And then serious enemies, but they behaved professionally. Can you imagine if they meet in Swaziland and then they grab each other's nose and fight? Now in South Africa today. So professionalism is important. I'm teaching you, you are the future, and I'm teaching you everyone. Professionalism, stop being angry and stop behaving Somizi and be professional. Ramaphosa and Jacob Zuma, they were together today and celebrating the 40th throne of King Mswati, also the 58th birthday. But they share the moment of history and enjoyment of together.
But they are
so how can it prohibit you, a motherfucker, just to be professional? You see me now, you'll never see me again. I thank you.